On July 30th, 1975, the most powerful union boss in America walked into a restaurant parking lot and vanished forever. Jimmy Hoffa controlled the Teamsters Union. He had connections to the mob, enemies in high places, and a plan to reclaim his leadership. That day, he was supposed to meet two Detroit mobsters at a restaurant. The meeting would decide his return to power. Witnesses saw Hoffa in the parking lot. They watched him get into a car with unknown men. He was never seen again. The FBI launched the longest missing person investigation in American history. They've dug up farms, searched landfills, and torn apart concrete foundations. Over 200 suspects, countless theories, organized crime families pointing fingers at each other. They declared Hoffa legally dead in 1982, but the search has never stopped. Nearly 50 years later, the FBI still follows tips, still digs, still hopes to solve America's greatest disappearance. Jimmy Hoffa became more famous dead than alive, and his final resting place remains one of the country's most guarded secrets.